Hello everybody, this video is to comprehend supervised machine learning. At the end of this video, you'll understand what exactly is supervised machine learning and how can we predict output using the labeled data. Now let us understand the formal definition of supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning is a type of machine learning which uses labeled data to predict the output. It is of two types, regression and classification. Regression is used for predicting the measurable real valued outputs, whereas the classification is used for predicting the discrete values. For example, to predict whether a team wins or loses. Oh, you still didn't understand? No worries. I will explain with an example. Now let us discuss what regression is and then we move on to classification. This is our training data set and we have two columns, namely area of house in square feet and the cost of house in lakhs. And we have the same information represented pictorially here, and this line represents the relationship between the area of the house and its cost. Now there might be a problem statement asking us to predict the cost of 900 square feet house using this data. The 900 square feet should be somewhere here and its corresponding cost should be somewhere around 40. Now let's plot this on black color. If we observe carefully, the output that we are expecting is the cost of house of 900 square feet. This is our output. What is our input? Our input is our labeled data. So the labeled data here is our training set. We call this data as labeled because we already knew the cost of 600 square feet house should be 25 lakhs, and whereas 1200 square feet house should be 55, and similar 2400 would be 120 lakhs. So using this information, we are trying to predict the 900 square feet area house, and it is projected to be around 40 lakhs. This is how we predict output for a regression problem. Now let us change this problem statement slightly to a classification problem. Let's call the problem statement this way. 50 lakh for 900 square feet is overpriced or underpriced. For example, if you look at this particular data, for a house of 900 square feet, something around 40 lakh would be the reasonable price, whereas 50 lakhs is definitely overpriced. So the output would be overpriced. Here we are predicting whether a house is overpriced or underpriced, and these two values are discrete values. So we call these kind of problems as classification problems. Now I believe you have got clear understanding of what exactly is a supervised machine learning and the difference between the regression and the classification problems.